Actually, one day I was just searching YouTube videos and I just found that one video just suddenly came up, and then there was Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar's legacy. In that video, he said that if you wanna find the evidence of your bravery, please visit this place.
Jai Bhim, Namo Buddhaya. Welcome to Samyak Kranti channel. Right now we are here at Bhima Koregaon, and we can see here many youngsters are visiting here to tribute this monument. So we are talking with them about their concept and view about this place. Hi Jai Bhim. What's your
Jai
name
Bhim.
and what you thought about this place?
Well, my name is Vineet. I am here. We come here every year to pay a tribute to this Vijay Samba. Actually, I find it very inspiring every time that I come here. That mere 500 people from our caste or from Mar battalion actually were fighting against the 28,000 strong army of Peshwas, and after a very very difficult battle they actually managed to secure a victory and give a final blow against the Peshwas. So that is really an inspiring thing, and that is something of our legacy which we want to continue and continue to our generation and in future years. So we come here every year. This year we came here one day early because tomorrow there would be a lot of crowd over here. So we are here to pay the
What you
tributes.
appeal to youngsters about this place or Ambedkar right movement?
Um, I would appeal to all the youngsters of our age to please come here, visit this place. You can find the pieces of our history and our bravery and our chivalry right here. It's all here. So please come here, visit this place once. I'm pretty sure that this will inspire you, and I would like to see the young crowd more here in the coming years.
Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Samruddhi. I'm from Aurangabad. Actually, one day I was just searching YouTube videos and I just found that one video just suddenly came up, and then there was Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar's legacy. In that video, he said that if you wanna find the evidence of your bravery, please visit this place. These are our ancestors. Their names are carved on this Vijay Stamba, and so I was inspired by that video, and I just came here to visit this place and to see what our ancestor did for the whole nation and for especially the Buddhist. And I feel so proud of them. This place is amazing. I think that all youngsters should visit this place, and they would love this place. Thank you.
Yeah, hi, my name is Avishkar. I stay at Thane, Mumbai. I didn't knew about. I mean, I knew about this place, but
You can remove your mask.
okay. I thought it because of Corona. One second, my phone rang. Yeah, so I knew about this place through my mom and dad, but I didn't visit over here. But recently, from my brother and from my sister, I heard a lot about this place, and this year, I thought, why not visit this place once and to know more about it. So I visited this place today, and it was exciting. Like I got to know many new things about it, and I'm pretty uh, excited to know about more about this place. And I hope that I'm honored to come over here today, listening out to all the stories and all. I'm honored to visit this place. So yeah, thank you.
So, we see so many fake movie like which movie about the history? No, no, no. Katappa, Bahubali.
Bahubali. Okay. Yeah.
So, I don't think that is the true story, but here, this place is the real story, and this is the real place where this war happens. So, what do you think about that story and this real place?
Actually, my opinion is that Bahubali is a non-fictional movie, so I guess like you should watch it and enjoy it. But if any movie like Bhima Koregaon comes up, then I think you should watch it with great pleasure and sorry, not pleasure, but with great pride. Yeah. So Bahubali like movies you can enjoy it, and this type of historic movies you should like take knowledge from it, and you should like keep it with you for the rest of your life to like remember it.
Thank you very much. Very